All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just quickly send messages to people, template messages, basically kind of like my simple scripts. For those of you that are familiar with that, it's pretty easy to do inside Friender. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here, right here on the Facebook UI and on the Facebook interface. We can just click on this details. I'm going to do it for my wife. And just click on this details and we can come right here and click on this messaging, and we can see right here inside this messaging we have messages already set up here. So for example, I have a happy birthday message set up here. I have about Friender in case she asked me about Friender. Okay, I have a free trial link, and you can see right here it says hi Ankita. It is already personalized. All right, this one says, what's up, Ankita? You can see I can regenerate these messages. What is Friender? If I want to use a different one, I can use a different one. So how do we actually do this? I'm going to show you this message right here. You can see, sure, happy to share. This is somebody asking me how Friender helps. I've put in breaks here. And if I just hit send, it's going to now send this message automatically to Ankita. If you can see down here, it's automatically sending out this message to her without me having to do anything. And now it's sent that message, as you can see. So how you do this is really actually easy. You just go into the Friender side, you go over here to templates, you go to your groups, and when you're inside your groups, you create your message groups. We've already went over how to create your message groups. I've already showed you how to create your message groups in different videos, so you should know how to actually do your message groups. And then you're just gonna click on these little dots, and you're gonna either click the hide on Facebook UI or show on Facebook UI. For example, this happy birthday, if I look over here, this happy birthday is showing up on the Facebook UI. If I click on the three dots and I click hide on Facebook UI and I come back over to Facebook and now I look on the UI on Facebook, I will no longer see the happy birthday as one of my quick replies there. If I want it there, I'm just gonna click on the three dots again. I'm gonna click on show on Facebook UI. I'm gonna come over here to the Facebook UI and I'm gonna look and I'm going to see there is that birthday message, okay? So that's how, if I'm getting common questions where people are just asking me the same questions all the time and I need like template messages, common response messages, so I can easily not have to copy and paste them or anything. As I showed you, these messages here, you can just regenerate them based on, this is just based on your spintax. If you have the message set up in your spintax correctly, it just generates a new message. You can find the one that you actually want. You can just click send. It will automatically send that message out. And I've showed you how you do it on the Friender side. You just come over here on Friender, you go to the message groups, you click on the three dots and you click either show on Facebook UI if you want to include it on the Facebook UI, or you click hide on Facebook UI if you want to hide it on Facebook UI, and it will automatically either show up or disappear on the Facebook UI side. Both that will work both over here on the Facebook side, and if you go open this in Messenger, this will show up also right here in Messenger as well, and you will see the things that you've asked to see. If you no longer want to see them, just click on the hide on Facebook UI, and that's how you use the quick messages.